Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is where you are. I'm so excited to present to you the new Mailbox Cash Money Marketing Kit. That's right, the new Mailbox Cash Money Marketing Kit. Regardless of what type of direct mail program you're in, whether it's postcard or flyer, you're going to need my kit. There is nothing on the market like this. I have so much jam-packed information to where we can help you get from $100 to $11,000 a day, week, or month, or that year using this marketing kit, people. If you're tired of being broke because you wasn't provided with the information you needed to make the mailbox money that you want to get the Mailbox Cash Money Marketing Kit. You can go to cashcowprogram.com. That's cashcowprogram.com. When you see this exact same flyer up here, it is actually the order form. It's $125, okay? And that's all you do. Fill out this information, mail in your payment, cash or U.S. postal money orders only. Look, the marketing kit got a whole bunch. Look, 100,000 of your flyer, two-sided, black and white for only $155, people. You don't pay for postage. You don't pay for the names. The company already has an audience of people looking for what you have with your flyers, okay, in direct mail. Where I get my stamps from 29 cents to 39 cents, and no, it is not from eBay. eBay costs too much. You're not going to find that, people. Where I get my hot leads, okay? How I get 2,500, okay, flyers, printed color for $87. Where are you going to find that? How about 5,000 colored postcards for $99 and much more? Whether you have postcards or you have flyers, the Mailbox Cash Money Marketing Kit is waiting for you. Give me a call, 832-906-6411. That's 832-906-6411. Go to the website, cashcowprogram.com. That's cashcowprogram.com. You'll see the link there that says marketing kit. And all you gotta do is click on it, print it out, send in your money. But today, the $75 for that kit is no more. It's $125 because I've added another 50 or 60 pages to it. I'm telling you, people, this is what you need if you're not getting the results you want. You need to know where you can get some amazing leads, some amazing hot buyer leads that's going to respond to your mail. You don't have to go crazy anymore. Why? Because this marketing kit is waiting for you. The Mailbox Cash Money Marketing Kit is waiting for you. Look, subscribe to the channel. Hit that subscribe button at the bottom. Okay, click on the notification bell. Give me a thumbs up. Share this video with someone else you know, whether it's direct mail or network marketing. I have a lot of network marketers getting this because they know now they can build a system of people. You got to get this marketing kit. Can you imagine some of the many places I have online where you can just post your ad free? Can you imagine that? You're posting an ad about your product, service, or business opportunity, and I'm telling you where to go, where to post it, and you're getting the information, getting able to get a person's name, all because you got your marketing kit. For some of you, this is a short-term discomfort, but the long-term benefits is you won't be broke no more. You will have the money coming in your mailbox for you to do the things you've been wanting to do. Simply print this information out, okay? Or you could call me and I could email this to you. Or you could go online, cashcowprogram.com. That's cashcowprogram.com. Click on the link, okay, that has marketing kit and print it out. All right. Have a great day, evening, night, whatever time it is where you are. Remember, your thoughts determine what you want, but your action is going to determine what you get. You do not have to be broke anymore. God bless.